Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to fetch the players in the queue. If you like the video, please leave a like, subscribe. I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, we're going to come to the API. You can see we're on the fetch players in queue page. Next thing, we're going to copy this. Do client.once, do a ready event. Add async. We're going to set a timeout to 6 seconds. Add async, paste this in. Come down here, const embed equals new embed builder. Const guild equals client.guilds.cache.get. Leave this blank for a second. Const channel equals guild.channels.cache.get. Leave this blank. Copy our server ID, paste this in. Copy our channel ID, paste this in. Embed.set description. We're going to set our description to new player has joined the queue. Embed.set timestamp. If object.values data.at index of 0 equals null, we're going to return. Create our getUser constant. Await fetch. We're actually going to copy this and we'll use this in a second. Replace this with object.values data.forEach v. Paste this in, add async, add https://users.roblox.com/v/users/$ curly brackets v. Method :get await getUser.json.then u. Then we're going to set our description to. This is a little bit weird. We're using our u variable, so this is going to return our username. This is going to be our user ID, so it's going to look something like lasso_z1 : my user ID. You can actually remove what's on line 23. You don't actually need that. I forgot to remove this in this video. Channel.send embeds embed. Temporarily, we're going to change this to my user ID and add notations around these 3 lines and add the number 1 here. I messed up. We're going to run it. Okay, seems to work, except I want to change this to a different color, so we'll do embed.setColor to white. We're going to start the bot, and there it is. Remove these notations, and that's pretty much it for the video. If you liked it, please leave a like, subscribe. If you have a request for another video, please leave it in the comments. This code will be posted on my GitHub. If you also want to join my Discord server for support, you can join that. It's in the description as well. And that's all for the video. We'll see you in the next one.